All boys say what? All boys go wild. All boys say what? All boys go wild. I catch the ball like a running back. Give me the plug, not the middleman. Show me the mayo, I'm whipping that. I told her she back, so she feeling mad.
Give him the clap.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. I know you like that. I know you like that.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
You actually been planning that for a long time, I can tell. Because
I've been planning it for 4 weeks.
you didn't even give us a chance to like start up anything and get into the song. You just walk into it.
Planning it for 4 weeks.
Diggy, welcome back. No.
When I come back, I'm gonna do this.
I was thinking like, it's been a long day
without you, a friend.
Cause when
I
I
would
told
tell
you
you
all
all
about it, when I saw you again.
But that's a sad song because like a dude like super dead.
Yeah, but like they
Super
missed
dead.
us. It's been, I was gonna say it's been a
Without
long
you,
day.
friend. And I tell you all about it when I see you again.
But do they, I have a question. Do they have season 2s on YouTube?
Saga, get us started. Episode
wait. Oh. So guys, here it is. Season 2, episode 1. Hit it with it! So to kick this off, we were chilling on a thread. If you guys are watching this, it's on a Thursday, and this happened to happen on a Monday, so it was a very dark Monday. Some chick comes out and she's like, you know what, guys? I was dating a guy, and my boyfriend went to get married while I was in his apartment.
Super cash. Super cash.
Ah.
So I mean, as a guy, if you gotta go get married, obviously you can't take your girlfriend with you.
Yeah, we can't.
So leave her in your apartment, go over to Durban, whatever. Of course, you're a soccer player, because what soccer players in our country are very good at is ironically not soccer. They're good at your girlfriend.
What?
Super great at entertaining your girlfriend.
And cheating. Yeah.
So very casual, baby girl. Listen, I want to go get married this weekend. Just stay in the apartment. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I'm coming out, babe.
And
Yes.
And then you got married.
I've got training, yeah. Listen, baby, I need to go to Home Affairs early in the morning, okay? So I'll see you a bit later. This guy went to Home Affairs and literally got married. You know, like, you have to pass by Home Affairs when you're getting married. And this guy did that, so he didn't really lie.
You told her half the truth.
Yeah, he didn't really
I
lie.
have to go to Home Affairs.
Yeah, I have
But it's not like a passport
No,
issue.
it's not half the truth. It is the truth because we have a home affairs. See, she
Wait.
didn't ask for what.
So this guy plays for my Melody Sundowns.
That's from Cape Town, right?
No,
My Melody Sundowns.
my Melody.
The name of where it's from is
Wait, in Cape Town.
in the name.
Mamela Lodi.
But also this picture looks old. I feel like this girl has been hurting for a while. This didn't happen like this past weekend. It looks like it happened
This looks like a 2013 picture.
like it was taken with a black beard.
Or maybe it was a bad camera, guys. These threads are getting so wild.
They
Like,
are, especially with girls who are saying that they've been scammed or whatever. You see
oh
those?
yeah.
During the time we've been gone, a lot of girls have come through saying this guy scammed me, airtime scammers. What else? What are
The guy who scammed the fashionista who scammed.
Yeah. And that's not scamming. That's called a fucking relationship where somebody pays for shit.
Yeah.
Like when a nigga does it, it's okay.
Yeah. Three.
Imagine after we break up, I'm like, oh, Palesa. Oh, I see you happy out there, Palesa.
Yeah.
Remember when I took you to McDonald's? Remember when I took you to Durban? Remember when I took you to my ladies to buy a new blouse?
Yeah.
I once
Yeah, that's
bought
called
my ex.
relationship.
I once bought my ex a black bear,
Oh yeah.
Did you really? Did she add you in BBM?
and then she changed.
Playing my song.
She changed the surname to her current boyfriend's name.
Oh.
On BBM.
Like you know,
While you guys are dating her.
While I was dating her.
Shit.
That's so.
And
No
then
wonder you left Cape Town. There's too much pain back there for you.
There was the one guy who came out, right? He was insane because he was dating this girl, and the first thing he did, first few dates, he came through with the driver. What's up? Scoop up. What's up? He was paying for the suppers. Then one thing, next thing, this guy, he's like, I'm absolutely broke all the time. The wallet isn't there. And this girl went on Twitter. She's like, bruh, I want my money. I want my money.
Homeboy said, psych. Aunye babs. Aunye babs.
And you know the craziest thing is this guy was using other people's Instagram pictures for his foodie pics.
Guys, please, you must actually grow up, eh? I understand, but how do you catfish people's Tasha's lunch? My panini. They're going to catfish my panini.
My meal.
My meal. My passion fruit and
And I
lemonade.
probably shouted out already.
It is hashtag foodie. I'm so no hashtag.
I'm shouted out already. It's
Does your
called-
mother know that you hashtag people's paninis on Instagram? Joe fucking left hand piece of shit. That's some bottom nigga shit. I didn't care what the girl said about that guy until we got that picture.
Yeah.
When he saw that picture, I said, you see now, this is where I fucking draw the line.
Okay, so Sipo, was he scamming or was he a real nigga?
He was drawing inspiration.
No, because of that picture, he's not a real nigga anymore. It's like you buy new sneakers and you post them. Check out my new sneakers, guys. I got a new pair of Adidas. Shout out Adidas. Got a new Check out a new pair of Adidas. And I take your picture.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plane is about to take off.
Yeah.
And then I take your picture. I'm like, I also got a new pair of Adidas. I also got a new pair of Adidas.
Hey. Yo.
Slow down, Sipo.
My aunt said, I heard you're in a gang
Oh my gosh.
called Maghreb Boy. I
What a
didn't-
cut name
Talking
for a gang.
about gangs.
Oh, okay.
So there was this picture that resurfaced on the internet the other day, right, from Cocoon Lounge of these four amazing girls that were sitting around a table on their phones.
Yep.
And then this picture went viral. First thing you think is, hey, we
Because
had
the table is empty and there are no ranks at the
It
table.
reminds me of a
and they're
typical
all
night.
very
My
beautiful
typical
women,
night.
and they're at a premium Johannesburg club, so everyone thought they waited for T-Bows. Except for this, except T-Bows and this is myself and Larry. We are T-Bows.
Yeah, we are.
Is
that the truth? It was you guys.
We came with these ladies, but we were just trying to figure out whether we're going to be partying at Cocoon or Taboo.
And,
And of course, while this is happening, can't just have people standing.
So this is an official statement.
This is an official statement about the
Guys, they
picture.
did nothing
What?
wrong. It's
They
a
did
funny
nothing
picture.
wrong.
The picture's super funny because
This is just
They
for
do the
30
super
minutes
later.
while we were trying to figure out where we're going to party that night. You said, hey, take a seat. That's what
Yeah.
you do when you have
Yeah,
guests.
sit down, guys.
You tell
Like-
them sit down.
Yeah, yeah.
You have guests in your own house.
Yeah,
you tell them
sit- yeah,
to
yeah.
stand.
But Lerato over there looks very...
are you giving a name?
I get it. I get it. I get it.
It's a super funny picture.
I get it. It's super.
It looks like
there's
they're,
a lot of
waiting
things
for
to troll
dresses.
about.
They look like slay queens. They're all wearing
you guys
one
know
color.
dresses.
They're all wearing one color. It's like it's a lot. It's like, yo, slay queens, what's going on? The buckets are empty.
Or after tears of a funeral because all black like why?
The one girl says she doesn't want to speak to me anymore.
Look at the one on the phone.
Then they still laugh at my tweets, so I think I'm saying.
Dairy products.
Wow. My one question is, Sipo, if you weren't the guy behind this picture,
I'm literally standing
What?
next to the cameraman as he's taking this picture.
what would you?
That's the worst part. I said, whoop, let me just move out a little bit. I could have been in this
What would you
picture.
think? What would you
Oh,
think?
God save me.
What would you think?
What would you think?
If you just saw this picture, what would you think?
And I had no idea what the background story. I'd be like, you, they're waiting for Ginimbi. What's that guy's name?
Ulirato. Ulirato is... She's heartful.
Oh, no.
It looks like Ulirato's been there.
They did nothing. They did nothing to deserve us. It's our fault, but no one cares.
We take
No
full
one cares.
responsibility,
Yeah.
but
We take,
the internet doesn't give a shit.
Yeah. Wow.
And there's nothing we can do. It's
Yeah.
on the internet now.
It's
Yeah.
it.
And
Sorry.
we're also on the internet, so.
Speaking of people in the internet that don't think of things that happen in the internet, blaming the internet.
What?
Wow.
So let's go to a very publicized wedding, of course. Minnie
Oh, for no shot to Minnie.
got married to, again, some random guy that nobody really knows.
Wow.
Tukune.
Who, that guy alley-ooped into the DMs when no one was looking.
He's actually a big producer.
Yeah, I know.
Quinzo. He used to like produce on Yo TV.
So he's out there, he got himself.
Oh, yeah, he's a huge
He landed
producer.
himself, Minnie. While we're gone, Minnie got married.
He's a huge producer on your TV. Give me a Y, give me a...
No, this was back in the cut.
Give me an M, give me an I.
Oh,
give me
back when
an
Ajax was
NIE.
on. When back
What
when...
did you spell?
Minnie! The name sounds like a made up name. What's your name? Quentin Jones.
No, what?
What's your real name? Jabu.
Mahlasela.
Jabu Matlasela. What's your name? Quentin Jones. Really? Really?
Jabu
What's your real
Mahlasela.
name? Quentin Jones, Daniel Steele ass nigga. What's your real name?
It's a pretty buck name.
It's dude.
Hey, what is your name? My name is Quentin. Quentin who? Jones.
Kanti kuJabu. Jabulani mahlasela.
Finally, his second name is Spencer or something.
What?
Spencer.
Quentin Spencer Jones.
What? Anyway, so apparently there was a wedding planner who didn't get paid, and apparently Minnie said the wedding planner was gonna get paid in exposure.
What? You should tell the wedding planner
Like
this from
intent.
get-go. You tell him like from get-go, like, yo, listen.
Look,
And then they,
No, answer my question.
I think so.
Like, yo, listen, you're getting paid in exposure.
And the wedding planner wants $500,000. I said, yo, what kind of forever is this?
Wow.
How many e-wallets until we get to $500,000? That's a lot, bro.
Right, whoa.
While we were gone, you guys were thirsting over dicks.
Yeah, there was like a hope for the dick challenge. And girls are like, I'll do this for the dick. I'll be there for the dick. Telling us what they'll do.
and then
for the
guys
dick.
felt
What
left
the-
out. And then they did the pussy challenge.
First of all, you guys have done a lot of crazy shit for the dick.
and
a lot.
we could.
And
I'ma do anything for the D. Walk around and answer ticket naked for the D.
what?
Bend cars for the D.
Bend cars.
Let them turn down into die for the D. Say I'ma do anything for the D. Drop out for the D.
Part for the D.
Take a walk from a D. From SA to USA just for the D.
SA to USA.
I'm a DJ for the D. Living comments for the D. I'ma do anything for the D. Joe Park for the D. I'ma slash my prince to pieces for the D.
Jesus.
What?
Throw the brothers in the
darkest
railway for the D. Throw myself out in the plane for the D. Wanna run into the trenches for the D. Anything for the D. Burn fucking ATM just for the D.
What?
For the dog. I'ma do anything for the dog. It's a dog for the stacky and it's tiny. It's a dog. Anyway, I'ma do anything for the D.
South Africa
What you
to
doing?
USA for the D.
She's a bit pretty.
She was very pretty.
But does she know what
And
they're
on
for the
Instagram,
D?
she was defending herself. Like, she spent the entire time on Twitter once this video dropped, like, defending herself. But she was speaking in the third person. So at the time, I didn't know it was her. I thought it was her friend defending her. She's like, no, she knows what she's talking about.
Yeah.
She's talking about the dark. I said, why do you keep saying that about your friend? Only the next day I realized
That was
her. It's been her. I'm like, why are you speaking about yourself in the third person? Say, no, I. Say, I. Don't say she. You or she.
I just don't know if I could get over the accent though, because
She's like the
I don't know if
peninsula
I
girl.
can- I don't know.
Like a peninsula.
No.
Loving me. Like if they collaborated.
Whoa, collaborate.
If they collaborated.
Yo.
Loving me, Mugabe
D.
for the BJ.
Yeah.
I said, loving me, tell it, like tarantula, and I'm off to the USA.
While we were away, Lonely London just got signed for Ambitious. Alright? At first, everyone was leaving Ambitious. We're like, yo, it's lit mass. Everyone is leaving. It's getting bad. They go Ambitious. And they've signed a lot of people after that. They've signed like I'm pretty ugly. They signed a
La
lot of
Sauce.
Yeah, La Sauce. They signed a whole lot of new people who are like doing the damn thing. It's like big up to Ambitious on that because we did go off with them when people left. So when they signed some cool people as well, we gotta be like, yo, what's up? So big up to Ambitious. Plus, okay, that's a story for another day. So Lonely London. Lonely motherfucking London. Lonely finger licking good. London has joined Ambitious. Guys, if any of you guys have seen Lonely, you must understand that she shuts down whole blacks, one man. She can just walk past
Thicker
now.
than a snicker.
She can walk past now and it's like,
Thicker. She's thicker than Uputu.
it's like,
She's like Miss Prue.
Ooh, Melanie Bala, no TKZ.
Zoibala, always.
So Zoibala, this was his second breakup. Didn't he break up with TKZ?
Shit.
When he got slapped.
Shit.
Anyway, Melanie Bala's back in the game.
Hey, hey. Wasn't she on Channel O back in the day? Here we go. What? Studio
you
Mix.
can choose the Channel
Yeah,
S
Yes.
for C.
Oh, yes. Hey, Melanie. I've had a crush on you since I was very young. But
I was younger.
I'm really
What?
sorry to you. What?
What did happen?
I'm really sorry to hear about your breakup. One of my favorite couples actually broke up. Bad Boy T and Unati.
And Unat.
What do you think they broke up? I think Bad Boy wasn't voting at Idols.
I'm for no bonus and good.
Bad Boy said, did you vote this week? Show me your
No.
SMSs. No, they ain't got time.
Zuma has a statue in Nigeria. What's up? What do you have to say about that? What?
I know when that story dropped, someone commented, if you don't love me, I'll find somebody who will. We don't appreciate Zuma, so Zuma was gone to Nigeria. to find people that appreciate him. We won't build him a statue. So he says, if you don't love me, I'll find somebody who will.
I mean, this guy just did a
Nigeria, are you drunk? I'm surprised they didn't put slippers on Zuma. You know, Nigerians love slippers. I'm sure if you check that statue properly, it's like Zuma is not wearing black shoes. He's wearing that whole formal thing with thong slippers. These oaks aren't scared of wearing a formal outfit.
Wow! Wow!
Hey, Zumistro. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first hottie of the week.
Season 2, baby.
Season 2 is very, very simply YENZEKA, Yenzeka on the.
And you know what Yenzeka? It's a tweet.
Wow! Yenzeka.
I will Yenzeka you.
Yo. Yenzeka looks freaking amazing, and she looks even
Where is she
better
from?
in her life.
And
She's
get passport Twitter or passport.
No, like
Instagram,
yeah. Look, I
I
think
think
she's
she's just there in the Debens.
No,
No,
the
nigga,
yellow,
she's Italy.
up there.
Usamthola kanjani usine passport.
The yellow top, yes, open it. Wow, why is she getting thicker? She's totally getting
You ever see
thicker.
the girl so hot just that love you like I'm back. Get out of here. So you're gonna be
What's that? You're gonna
you're
be
gonna be a
this size.
diabetes like this. You're gonna come through on Instagram and be amazing. So this is what you're gonna do.
Just be nice.
Even our hands look sexy.
Yo.
What's this? I want them
So
to touch
gonna-
me. I wish I was ice cream. So she just came through and said, I'm gonna be amazing.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
She received flowers. I said, man, I want to fight him.
Dude,
I
but
challenge. Hey, Ezeka, if you see this, I challenge your man to a fight, a duel.
to death.
Anginandaba ukuthi if I'm your type or not. Ngithe. Call out the homie, it's about to go
We're just
down.
gonna fight. That's episode 1
Of season 2.
of season 2.
Thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
I want to
for
take a
your
break
tweets.
just to find out who these guys are.
Yeah,
Who's the guy in here?
Yeah.
No, who? Just get in touch with this guy. I'm going to lose myself because I was getting music to come geek. Yeah, what did you just say?
We were quiet, but
What did you just say?
fuck all.
You guys mustn't speak over me.
Anyway, guys, it's been awesome. Thank you so much for waiting for us. Thank you so much for the tweets.
My grandpa is there in 10, mama!
Season 2, baby.
Smoochie for the babies. I'm out here chilling with Pagami, so
Yeah,
on
and
this
Larry,
right is
son.
motherfucking Larry,
You
son.
know, you know,
you know we are together. We are the micro.
Way. Boys, make sure you catch us at Liberosis this Friday. Liberosis
Come to
gets super
Cocoon.
heated. It's at Cocoon. Shout out to Jabu and Shama. You know Migos is Saturday, son.
Oh,
Mama
raindrops,
Yeah.
drop top,
Saka lapataka
in the
tafato.
top top.
Yes.
In a
You know what it is, guys.
We're gonna be there.
It wouldn't be
We're
right
chilling
if we don't
with
leave
Migos.
me alone. Because
We'll be there chilling with Migos. It's gonna be me, and it's gonna be Migos.
And it's gonna be Chaz.
Hey. Anyway, Baka, it's so amazing to be back. Let me get a little like it's for just a little bit of a taste, a little bit of something.
Uzamura unye mbonang masami.
Tati's tombe and a photo. I beat the beat up like a bongo. Oh, my jelly teddy man, I think they don't know. Who's the singers I'm sorry? Dalatinas fully mine. Like a lot. Dwana shy number njenge lot. Dwan tatingani yako njengotot.